I'm your fairy godmother, honey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a Christmas set and we're going to start off by doing a peel off method. So peel off, pop off, whatever you guys want to call it. I use nail foil glue for my pop off method, and typically you see people using what is that, matte coat and um cuticle oil, or base coat and cuticle oil, top coat cuticle oil. It's involving cuticle oil. Every time I use cuticle oil, you guys, um, when it's time to file, because I really like to go in there with my emery board, my nails pop off. So yes, that's the point, but not right in the middle of the set, you know? So foil, the nail art foil glue, it allows you to file and do everything that you need to do, and then you have to pop them off. They don't just pop off by itself. So yeah, the shape that I'm doing is ballerina. I was going to do stiletto, but these things are so long. Um, and I just felt like I did not want to do some super long stiletto nails. And I never do any other like shape on this channel besides square and duck nails. So we're giving a new shape a try. So basically what I'm doing here, I adhered my tips with base coat after I did my peel off method. And after adhering my tips, I am now fully base coating each nail. This is when I figured out, okay, let's go ahead and chop these a little bit. So I did go ahead and clip these down. And then I was going to keep them as stiletto, but I was like, nah, let's try this shape instead. So I'm going in with my, I don't know how to say it, you guys, GAOY polygel. I will link it in the description below. This is a nice pink, like really nice. Um, Usually I like the dark pink color. It's like dark pink translucent. Um, a little bit kind of translucent, but it's like a cover pink. And basically, I don't know, like I went ahead and tried out a different type of pink because the pink that I usually use has been discontinued, or you guys sell it out. A lot of people has been buying that color off of my videos. So I've been having to find a better, like not a better color, but another pink to replace that pink. Because you guys know I love, if you've been here, you know I love the cover pink on my nails. I just love it. So, yeah, I'm doing the two bead method. I went ahead and did my first bead. I cured that in the lamp, and now I'm going in with my cuticle bead, and I'm just patting that towards my cuticle first, and then I'm going to pat the rest down the shaft of the nail to go ahead and blend that out. I'm sorry that I'm out of frame a little bit, but you guys can basically see what I'm doing. If you guys have not been here before, I have so many application videos on my channel, so please go and check them out if you guys need a better, like, better angle. Anywho, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. So after this set, you guys, if I'm being so honest with you, I am going on my nail growth journey. I did say that in a previous video, hence my tortoise print nails. I will go ahead and link that down in the description as well, so you guys can go ahead and watch that video. But I am getting back into short nails because the long nails, when I do the long nails on my channel, they're pop-offs because I'm always doing stuff. Okay, you guys, like I'm really a artist for real. So I'm always doing stuff with my hands. Currently, like I have been doing crochet, so I prefer not to have nails, even like cleaning, like doing just daily tasks. I hate having long nails, especially if I haven't had them in a long time because I tend to hit my nails. And if you had long nails before and you tap them on something, like ram them into something, or accidentally like tap the top of the nail, you guys know that they hurt. And because I bite my nails are always so sensitive. So I am going to start a series where I'm doing only short nails, and I'm going to do my fill, like my refill process. I'm going to do the change of the design process, and that's just going to be what my videos are going to consist of now, just because I have not been taking care of my nails, just period. And usually I keep my nails on for a very long time. Like, I can go ahead, and you guys will see in the next video that I do how much my nails grew on the tortoise print hand, and they grew a lot. So it's time for me to either do a fill, but I want to do some short duck nails. So I think that I'm going to take these nails off and do a short ducky set, permanent set on my nails, and we're just going to be refilling from there. um but I do want to document my process of doing my nails or whatever, like growing them from nubs to healthy again, because I have not had healthy nails since probably last year, beginning of last year, and it's just a no-go for me. I just feel like it's not ladylike to bite my nails. It's not cute. It's painful for me because I bite my nails to the point where they start bleeding, like they're hurting. And I know it's because of my anxiety. Like, I'm very anxious all the time and stuff like that. So instead of pulling my hair out, maybe I decide to bite my nails instead. And it's very like, it's muscle memory because I've been doing it for so long. So I don't even realize when I'm doing it. So the only way that I don't bite my nails is if I have nails on, like if I have enhancements. So that's what is going to be going on right now. Um, so yeah, I am using my emery board currently in the video to go ahead and just shape these up really nicely. That apex is giving, okay? Look at it. So nice. So if you guys are beginners and you are struggling with the apex, please try to use the 2 bead method, because that's going to help you with build your apex. Like, cuz where you put your first bead, soon as, like, after you put that first bead and you get it where you, like, you smooth it out and you cure it and everything, that the start of that first bead is going to help with your apex once you do the second bead, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. um And yes, if you're doing polygel, use a ceramic bit. Ceramic bits all the way, even the cuticle bits, everything. Use ceramic because ceramic works better with polygel. And now I am using some cuticle oil to just go ahead and buff the scratches and anything off of the surface of my nails, just to make it a smooth surface, preparing for nail art. So basically, I want to explain to you guys what I'm going to be doing for my short series. Um, I'm not going to do basic nails, like basic just Frenchies or anything like that. Like, I'm still going to explore my nail art because I do want to get better at nail art. So every set that I do, I don't know if I want to do each hand differently, but every time I do my nails, I'm going to do like a nice, intricate art on my nails, like whatever it is. I want to just try new stuff and get out of my comfort zone, even though they're going to be short nails. Like doing tortoise print, that was out of my comfort zone. And before I continue, these nails are going to be French tips, so I am just doing my French tip first. If you guys have been having problems with the Frenchies, I left this in real time. So what I did was I put a line down the middle of the nail, and then I just did 2 lines from each corner to meet them where that line was in the middle, and just rounded it out and then colored it in. I don't know how much more I can explain when it comes to Frenchies. I also have a how to do Frenchies. 3 different, I think it was like 3 or 4 different ways how to do Frenchies. Um, on my channel, so I will go ahead and link that in my description if you guys need help with French tips as well. You can use the same technique whether it's short nails or long nails. Either way that I did them, you'll be able to do a French tip whether you have long or short nails. So I will go ahead and link that in the description as well. Hopefully my videos help you guys. I love seeing people come back and tell me that my videos were helpful for them. It keeps me going. It helps me push content out because sometimes I'll be at a standstill because I have over 200 videos on my channel already and there's already so much I created. I'd be like at a roadblock, if that makes sense. So, I just honestly like that's why I prefer for you guys to like request videos here and there, but ultimately I know what I'm doing now, and I'm just gonna put out what I put out. And if you guys like it, cool. If you don't, I'm sorry. But it's going to be, I'm also going to do my toes. You guys, I left my toenails alone to show you guys how long polygel can last on your feet. So I will go ahead and show you guys how much um my sets grew out, and I will go ahead and also do a fill and nail art or whatever I'm going to do on my toes as well. There's going to be a whole nother video, but I'm just going to keep up with the content that you guys like, which is my feet videos and duck nails usually, or like people have been requesting shorties as well. So it kind of works in my favor because I already want to do that anyway. And yeah, so I went ahead and did my palette already. I did not have the green that I wanted, so I did have to mix two greens together to get the green that I wanted. And basically on this nail, I'm just making like a Christmas wreath or like a Christmas tree with the little red little cherries, or what is those? Red, I think those are cranberries or something. I don't know. The little red little things that be on the trees, like the fake bushes and stuff. I've never seen like a real bush like that in real life with the little red things on them. So I don't know what type of tree that is. If you guys know, please comment because I feel so ignorant right now. But basically I was trying to get it to look like a tree or like a bush. So that's what you guys see me doing right now. I did have to like incorporate um a the lighter green in there to give it some type of definition, but this is what it's looking like right now. And then I'm just going to go ahead, as you can see, I took some of that green while it was still wet, and I'm just going to try to like make it look 3D, I guess, like a little bit like not so flat, if that makes sense. So although you can't really see it how I was seeing it, it came out way better than it just being that flat green. Also, please, if you guys have not already, you got it. If you got this far into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And excuse me for saying a lot. I literally process my thoughts while I do my voiceovers. People use scripts and all of that. I prefer to be myself. So this is like my real, what is it, real time thought process. I do say a lot. So it's very funny to me, in my opinion. So I prefer to just do my voiceovers that way because technically, like, if I was explaining to you, like, if you were right in front of me, that's how I would be talking and processing my thoughts in real time. So yeah, that's just what it is. I did the little red things. Hopefully, you guys see the vision, the bush that I was talking about. Let me know what that bush is called, please. And I'm just making it a little bit more 3D with the white, like making them a little shiny, you know. And I did have to matte I did matte top coat this, but instead of keeping it matte, I did go in with the shiny top coat on the red little, I have no idea what these things are. Are they cranberries, you guys? I don't know. I have no idea. Whatever the tree is or the bush is that has these little red things on them, I wanted to make them shiny and look more like those instead of little red dots. So that's what I was doing. And I did just go ahead and add some red rhinestones. I added a little pearl bow, and this is how they came out. They look so good. And I kept them matte because I was gonna do shiny, but I have not did a matte set in a long time. We're putting on some cuticle oil, and this is basically the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Liking the video is free. Don't skip the ads. That's free. That's how I get my money, y'all. So don't skip the ads. If it's super long, I understand skipping it, but if it's a little short one, don't skip it. This is the end of the video. This is how they came out. Let me know what you guys think down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the description. Oh my god, in the comments. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.